Bismillah. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, everyone, welcome to um, studio talk with Dr. Johar, and I have four special guests here. This is Jackie and Andra, and Hilmi and Lukian. Now, today we'll be arguing about. We were talking about should school uniform be mandatory? Now, on my left, this will be the one that who disagree to that topic, and then on my right, this one who should be agreeing to the topic. So, first question. Let's grab my clickers. First question I'm gonna ask you guys is: to what extent do mandatory school uniform impact student self-expression? First, first.
Okay, my answer is uniform limit how students express themselves through their clothing. But they can still express their personality through behavior, ideas, and achievement with their clothing.
Disagreeing team, what do you disagree about this question that I asked you before? You, does it
We disagree.
improve?
Lagi kan?
Disagree. Disagree.
Okay, so like you all know, uh, uniform make student cannot show their expressions, their own expression. Like you know, a human have expression itself, and then with a school uniform, it makes student not expression their own. Yeah. You.
And the and the uniform is show the more discipline of the student, and the uniform is uh, can make more cheaper for the parents to buy the uniform.
So we have two great answers from both teams. Now I'm going to the next question is how effectively do school uniform address issue to socio-economic dispersion among students, and what are some alternative to this socio-economic?
Okay, so like that you say, school uniform is if used to school uniform is hide the visible of the student economic. Okay, but we think it's just depends of the student. Um, if the student is the economic is good, just use a good code. And then if he cannot, if the student cannot, if the student the economic is bad, uh, if he cannot buy a good code, just use mm, a bad code maybe. But better the good code, the good code.
So from the disagreeing team, they say that socio-economy does matter, but how about the agreeing team? Does this matter?
Uh, from my answer is some study found a small improvement in attendance and behavior, but it's not to impact a big impact for the academic score, and that's it's my answer.
So what you mean by the academic score? You mean the academic of the economy of the students, right? So ongoing for the next question is beyond beyond evidence, does school uniform support the claim of mandatory support the claim that is improve anti-bullying or performance or any academic performance like that, or just make it look like the school is formal or anything that is in that question? Please bring them here first.
Okay, my opinion is some student may feel trapped or not or self-conscious, especially if uniform don't fit well or go against their culture or their identity. Okay.
Hang on, different.
Okay. Um, for discipline, huh? So I think uniform is not make us student very disciplined. Like if like he just use a random codes, at least is tidy. At least is tidy. Is it's okay. Like it's not affect to their discipline. And for the bullying, um, I think it's not affect too, because can you ever hear a student that get bullying because they caught? Is impossible, right? If is impossible, it's just idle. Okay.
So, Hilmi, you disagree that school uniform does not affect the bullying effect on school.
Yes, of course.
Okay, next question is the financial burden on school uniform. Maybe there is some limited income to the children or the parents for school uniform to be implemented in every school. So, the green team, I'm gonna ask you first, is that what do you guys think about when the economy of their children, of their parents, cannot afford this uniform for school? Should this be still agreed upon, or do you want to disagree upon this question?
Um, the uniform can teach uh, discipline and social responsibility, but if too strict, they may limit a student independent thinking. Yes, and that's my opinion. Thank you.
So my answer is the school uniform is the school uniform is the cannot cannot the provide free uh, or the subsidies the uniform, and the school uniform is cannot choose the simple and the low and the low design.
Okay, question 5 now. Since we are being on score, so this is a bit hard. The question number 5 is a bit harder than usual. If school uniform were created to be more professional and focused learning environment, what about potential of physical effect on students who may feel constrained or uncomfortable in them? So this question asks you guys about um, the benefits and other benefits, the effect on students who feel uh, not comfortable, not comfy in their uniform. So the one on my left, I'll give the answer first, the question first to the right side, to the disagreeing side.
Okay, that's right. Uh, some student is did not is uncomfortable because they are use a uniform, and that you like know some uniform is did not comfortable to use, like the what if you use that like it's very hot or anything there is many, and because that just use a random uniform that because if you use a random uniform so student can use their clothes that they are comfortable with that. If use a uniform maybe some student comfort with that but maybe the other not, and then I think I agree that because yeah, because if you use a uniform a student some student is not uncomfortable with that.
This good answer me. Next. What? Because it's that that's schooling from effect on physical potential on students who feel constrained or uncomfortable in their uniform. We agree to this. So agree to
Uh,
the question.
Andra, lah, I'm already just.
Okay, my opinion for that question for the uniform, I disagree because use uniform is so hot, and for the physical there like how to say iritasi for the skin, your our body, and how to say we can gatal-gatal. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So I think we have the time. And thank you for listening to our talk show. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.